পেটটা ভিতরে যেগুলো আছি আর ভিতরে যেগুলো আছি সেটা ভিতর মানে organ ধরে ধরে organ all there are many parts inside your body the body the still body body that you cannot see or touch. ତେଣୁ ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଆମେ ଦେଖିପାରିବନି ଶୁଣିପାରିବନି ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ ହେଲା ଇଣ୍ଟରନାଲ ନେମ୍ ଦେୟାର see that your brain brain का बोलते brain help you to do your brain sends message to every part of the body and tell it what to do. देखो ना वो कहीं वो मोर कौन मोर it also helps you to think, remember things, understand what is happening and you want to name three organs that help you to digest food. कौन बोले? Mouth, stomach, and intestine, and three organs. That help to digest food. You see anything nhưng người là hết chuyện úp sốt rồi ủa 뭐 손? 뭘로? 뭐 손을 할 빠타보라는 말하고 해보더니 이거 알아 유 와유 유 예시 many around you